in the crypto markets has a way of humbling even the most ambitious predictions. Cast your mind back to 2017. Bitcoin was trading under $1,000. At the time, analysts like Tom Lee projected a rise to $25,000 by 2022, with a possibility of reaching $100,000 further down the line. Fast forward 8 years, and what seemed like a distant dream is today's reality, with Bitcoin soaring past the $100,000 mark. This perspective is crucial as we turn our attention to the next great digital asset narrative, Ethereum. If Bitcoin's journey is any indicator, the potential for Ethereum is staggering. What drives a veteran from traditional finance to launch the world's largest Ethereum digital asset treasury? For Tom Lee, it was the recognition of a supercycle, a transformative period lasting 10 to 15 years. While his earlier work correctly identified Bitcoin's potential as digital gold, a new opportunity emerged in Ethereum. Lee and his team saw a blockchain that had become underestimated, trading far below its all-time high despite a fundamentally stronger story. It's the largest smart contract platform, powered by a benevolent developer community focused on improving the world. This, combined with Wall Street's accelerating embrace of blockchain technology, created a perfect storm. The mission of BitMine was born, to guide traditional finance onto the Ethereum network and capture this historic value shift. So, what are the specific engines driving this Ethereum supercycle? Lee points to 3 core catalysts. First, stablecoins. He calls this the ChatGPT moment for crypto, the killer application that brings tangible utility and massive volume to the chain. But this is just the beginning. The real market is the tokenization of everything: equities, credit, real estate, and intellectual property. A market potentially worth hundreds of trillions. Second, neutrality. Unlike proprietary blockchains built by banks, Ethereum is a truly neutral, public ledger. Wall Street institutions will only build their future on a platform where no single entity has a home advantage. Ethereum is that neutral ground. Third, AI and the token economy. The future of tokenized, autonomous AI and robots will require a robust token economy, and Ethereum is poised to be its foundation. BitMine isn't just a passive fund, it's an active financial infrastructure company. Its stated goal is the Alchemy of 5%, acquiring 5% of all outstanding ETH, a level believed to provide a power law benefit to the network and its shareholders. But the strategy goes far beyond simple accumulation. BitMine aims to be a kingmaker in the DeFi space, investing in moonshot projects and building payment rails. It's positioning itself as the essential bridge for any institution looking to access the Ethereum economy. In a crowded field of digital asset treasuries, BitMine and MicroStrategy have emerged as the dominant leaders, capturing over 90% of all trading volume and institutional interest, thanks to their liquidity, clear narratives, and execution. Now, for the question on everyone's mind: where is the price headed? Tom Lee's thesis is multi-layered. For the end of this year, he sees a dovish Federal Reserve and strong seasonal trends pushing Bitcoin to between $200,000 and $250,000. As Ethereum's price ratio to Bitcoin normalizes and surpasses its previous highs, this implies an Ethereum price of $12,000 to $15,000 by year's end. But the long-term vision is even more compelling. Lee's intermediate target for Ethereum is to match Bitcoin's total network value. If Bitcoin continues its ascent, this calculus points to an Ethereum price of $60,000 within the next few years. It's a bold prediction, but from a man with a history of being proven right by the relentless march of time and technology. In Tom Lee's view, Ethereum is not just another asset, it is the foundation for the new Wall Street. Just as the dollar going off the gold standard in 1971 created a massive opportunity for financial intermediaries, the tokenization of global assets in 2025 is creating a supercycle for the underlying platform. BitMine is his vehicle to not just participate in, but actively shape, this new financial frontier. The journey from a $1,300 risk-reward opportunity to a $60,000 network giant may seem vast, but as the last 8 years have shown, in the world of crypto, the future has a habit of arriving faster than anyone expects.